Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Sanjeev Hanje. I am from SYATC Division A and my PRN number is 20UET033. Today I am going to explain current shunt feedback amplifier from the topic feedback amplifier and oscillator. Current shunt feedback amplifier. So first we understand what is current shunt feedback amplifier. So generally current shunt feedback amplifier is the type of negative feedback amplifier in which the part of output current is applied in parallel with the input current. In this case the output current is directly proportional to the input current, therefore the amplifier is the true current amplifier. So let's get started. Here we can see the diagram of feedback amplifier. Here there are two terminals A and B. So let's start it. So here it is the current amplifier. So gain is A equal to IO upon IF and beta equal to IF upon IO. So for IS equal to I in, and we have the voltage gain AV equal to IO upon I in. So final gain is AV equal to AV upon I plus AV into beta. So now we have to calculate an input impedance. So here input impedance is RIF and here is feedback amplifier is in shunt. So IS equal to II plus IF. Here II is input current. So II plus here IF equal to beta dot IO. Now but we have the value of IO equal to A into II. So putting this in above equation, IS equal to II plus A into II into beta. So taking II common through the equation, so we get II into bracket 1 plus A into beta. So finally RIF equal to, we have VI upon IS, then VI equal to, we have IS value, so putting this value in this equation, so we get II into bracket 1 plus A into beta. So also here VI upon II equal to RIF. So final value of RIF equal to RI upon 1 plus A into beta. Now we have to calculate the output impedance. Here output impedance is ROF. So here current I due to applied voltage V, so we get an I equal to V upon R0 minus beta into AV into II. So taking this negative term to the left hand side, so we get I plus beta into AV dot II is equal to V upon RO. So taking I common through this equation, so I into bracket 1 plus beta into A into V is equal to V upon R0. So finally V upon I equal to ROF equal to R0 into bracket 1 plus A into beta. So ROF is our output impedance, so ROF equal to 1 plus A into beta into R0. So this is our output impedance.